How you can fix Meta AI chat not showing on Instagram. So first thing first, let's open the Instagram and make sure you are in the search bar section and you need to search for the Meta AI in the search bar. And once you search it, just tap on the Meta AI profile and you can see the profile page of Meta AI on the screen. And you can also see there is following and message option in here. So just tap on the message option, and finally you can see there is I option at the top right corner of this message box. So select the I option, and finally you can see there is unmute option in here on the screen. So if you tap on it, you simply have two options available over here. So what you can do is simply disable this both, and let's get back, and you simply need to enter something in here, and once you send the message, you will be able to fix your Meta AI chat on Instagram successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to fix your Meta AI chat which is not showing on Instagram. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.